Hey guys, welcome to a new video. I have a new announcement lined up that we really need to discuss. Let's get right into it. Meta just unveiled a new AI image generator model named CM3Leon or Chameleon. The new AI is not just all about text-to-image creation, but image-to-text creation as well, which means it can automatically generate captions for images. So what else is so special about Chameleon? Let's find out. AI-generated images are obviously not a new concept at this point, with popular tools like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and Midjourney. What is new are the innovative techniques Meta used in building Chameleon and the impressive performance that Meta claims the model can achieve. However, what sets Chameleon apart is its unique ability to process both textual and visual inputs and generate outputs accordingly. Even though it has been trained using significantly less computation compared to previous transformer-based methods, Chameleon delivers exceptional performance when it comes to text-to-image generation. It can generate both text and images. Do you need the perfect caption for any of your social media handles? Chameleon will handle that. Do you need the perfect description for any of your captions or a concise answer to any question? Meta's AI should be your go-to. For example, you could input a prompt such as, "Describe an image of a sunset over the ocean," and the AI model will generate a description based on that instruction. So due to the fact it can generate text and image sequences based on any given input, the Chameleon model fits the criteria for a causal masked mixed modal model, which sets it apart from other popular models that could only perform one of these tasks. Though Chameleon is yet to be made public, so I still have to confirm all these claims. However, from the extensive research I did, I discovered Chameleon might possibly outperform Google's Party text-to-image model. It achieves a groundbreaking FID, Fréchet Inception Distance score of 4.88 on the widely recognized picture creation benchmark, Zero Shot MS Coco. This remarkable achievement makes Chameleon stand out in vision language tasks like long-form captioning and visual question answering. Despite being trained on a dataset of just 3 billion text tokens, Chameleon's zero-shot performance rivals that of larger models trained on larger datasets. In addition to that, Chameleon performs better in accurately representing even the most complex objects and text prompts than models such as OpenAI's DALL-E 2 and even Midjourney. Take a look at this. Chameleon can accurately represent human anatomy, unlike its predecessors which often produce distorted or nonsensical images. What's more, Chameleon not only enhances creativity, but also significantly improves the quality and functionality of applications within the metaverse. In recent reports, Mark Zuckerberg talked about the possibility of creating virtual objects and images with this new model. Anyways, a big thumbs up to metaverse fans. You guys can anticipate an even more enriching and dynamic experience with this tool in the virtual world. Another difference is that Chameleon also provides advanced pictures that could let users create more accurate representations of their ideas. Aside from the text-to-image and image-to-text ability, the generating tool can also perform structure-guided image editing, segmentation-to-image, and super-resolution upscaling. Did I mention object-to-image creation? That's part of its ability. You won't find these features in other AI tools except Stable Diffusion using ControlNet. That is mind-blowing. Or what do you think? I'm eager to read your opinion in the comments section. Image generation models often struggle to follow the user's description when drawing objects accurately. Models frequently omit or misunderstand details specified in the prompt. The more complex the object a user seeks to create, the more likely errors will emerge. However, the story changes when you use Chameleon. From all indications, Chameleon can generate images more accurately than other models. In a series of tests, the company successfully used the model to draw objects based on complex descriptions, such as a small cactus wearing a straw hat and neon sunglasses in the Sahara Desert. The result was awesome. Check it out. Many AI image generators can only take text as input. Chameleon, in contrast, is also capable of ingesting images. Users can upload a photo to the model and ask it to edit, create a caption, or answer questions about the pictured object. With the introduction of this groundbreaking AI technology, an array of tasks that were once considered laborious and time-consuming can now be effortlessly accomplished. Though at first, Chameleon can sound like a threat to so many skills, but why not look out to the positive side? Whether you are a proficient graphic designer, a skilled photographer, or a talented painter, it is imperative to recognize the invaluable potential that this AI tool holds. As it is poised to revolutionize the market, lagging behind out of fear can be detrimental. By integrating this AI into your creative workflow, you will undoubtedly witness exponential growth in your productivity and efficiency, allowing you to expand your skill set to unprecedented heights. But hold on, the AI tool isn't available yet. Unfortunately, no. Just like its previous models, the company has chosen not to release the model code to the public. Although the model is highly lauded as state-of-the-art technology, the fact that it's a closed source frustrates the research community. Additionally, the AI company hasn't given any specific date for the release of its almighty AI tool. Why would they invest in such a valuable asset if they don't plan on making it accessible to all? Similarly, last month, the tech giant unveiled VoiceBox, but did not make the model public over fears of potential misuse. Well, Meta is not the only technology company that has refused to release its AI tool to the public. Even though companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Apple have invested millions of dollars to research over the years, they also have kept a major chunk of it to themselves. The reason this displeases the research community is that these companies have been dependent on the open source community, yet refuse to contribute as much as they gain. And since this AI is not released yet to the public, there's no way to vouch for the authenticity of the product. So, all the great capabilities of this AI are only paraded before the public. We can't test it yet to know whether it's genuine or not. Other AI tools like ChatGPT also had mind-blowing abilities at their release. But when the public started using it, other issues erupted. Yay, Meta has created and showcased an AI tool that is somewhat metaverse, because the capabilities explained are clearly outside the universe. However, what if the AI tool developed a fault that the developers were not expecting? What if it failed at some point to deliver what it was proclaimed to have? Could Meta be trying to deceive the entire world by just drawing attention to itself through the announcement of this invention? Well, we can only wait till it is released to satisfy our curiosity. Meta also recently launched Threads, a Twitter clone that is seeing rapid user growth that has outpaced what OpenAI achieved after launching ChatGPT. Another AI tool known as Llama, which stands for Large Language Model Meta AI, was released in February. Meta is reportedly planning to release a commercial version of its Llama natural language model to outside developers. If true, this will allow startups and enterprises to build custom applications powered by Meta's AI. This will put the Meta AI company in direct competition against Microsoft, Google, and others. That's a wise move from the company, because that's the only way to catch up with competitors. This action attests to the proven fact that Meta is adept at taking key elements of previous technologies, improving them, and creating successful products that will almost kill its competitors. Meta's focus seems to be pivoting strongly towards AI across all its apps, even though it has claimed to be also heavily focused on its metaverse projects. Meta also released an AI known as the Segment Anything model, an AI that can cut out any object in any image with a single click. This is likewise an invention that has placed Meta AI above other competitors. Fortunately, the Segment Anything model is open source. With new models like Chameleon showing promising performance, Meta seems determined to aggressively win the AI race. What do you think about Meta's new AI? Do you believe it's possible to have a tool that can perform such outstanding abilities? Don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Till I see you in the next video, stay artificially awesome.